Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the mouse sensitivity in Grounded 2. Let's begin by opening the options menu. From here select Keyboard. Look for mouse sensitivity X, mouse sensitivity Y and the other two right here. In this section you can adjust the sensitivity in the X-axis, the Y-axis, X-axis during aiming and Y-axis during aiming. As you can see, the range goes from 0 to 100%, with the default for regular sensitivity being 50 and aiming sensitivity being 25. You can adjust this further. You can go as high or as low as you want. I'll stick with the default settings right here. After you are done adjusting those settings, simply press the close button. And that's about it. Thank you for watching and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.